This demonstration features country ledge stone, but the general techniques shown here will apply to other textures designed for tight-fitted installation. When planning a tight-fitted joint project, there are a few differences to consider before you begin the installation. First, remember to adjust your materials estimate accordingly. Second, consider tinting the mortar to the colour of the stone to help conceal the joint lines. Finally, choose the mortar application method that assures you complete coverage. This will conceal the backing and prevent water from becoming trapped behind the stones. For more information, review the mortar techniques section in this video. If your project has an outside corner, begin your installation there, followed by the adjoining flat pieces. Ledge stones should be installed from the bottom up. Apply mortar and press each stone firmly enough to squeeze some water out around the back of the piece. Occasionally, level and plumb your pieces. Using a trowel, strike off excess mortar around the edges prior to placing the next piece. This will allow the next adjacent component to fit tightly. Proceed with the next corner piece, alternating long and short legs and the adjoining flat pieces. Choose pieces to ensure that vertical joints do not line up. It may be necessary to cut some pieces to achieve a proper fit. Consider feathering the cut edges with a masonry axe, hatchet or nippers. When using a wet saw, be sure to clean the stone with clean water after cutting. Once the stones are placed, minimal grouting or tooling may be needed. To install around openings, follow the procedures shown in the 12mm mortar joint demonstration, fitting the stones together more tightly.